Hi students, today in this session we are going to discuss the oxo acids of sulfur. So there are so many oxo acids of sulfurs are there. So in order to simplify these, we have to classify those oxo acids in four categories, that is sulfurous acid series, sulfuric acid series, thionic acid series and peroxy acid series. In case of oxo acids of phosphorus, we have already discussed in our previous video. Those are classified into only two series. One is phosphorus acid series, other one is phosphoric acid series. So you have to remember these four series here. So I have provided you link the oxo acids of phosphorus in the description. First you go through with that video, then you can easily follow this one. Okay, so now these are classified into four series. So here us means, this us indicates it exhibits lower oxidation state, and ic indicates it exhibits higher oxidation states. So the series consists of lower oxidation state, so whereas the series of these molecules consists of higher oxidation states. And next, thionic acid series. Thionic acid series means these consists of SS linkage. Thio means sulfur, it consists of SS linkage. And whereas peroxy acid series, so these peroxy acid series consists of some peroxy bonds. So peroxy bond means OO bond. So here OO bond will be there. So in this way we can easily classify these into four series. Then we can easily remember these. So generally mostly students get confused to remember all these oxy acids. So here is a small trick for you. If you follow this trick, you can easily identify or you can easily remember the series of oxo acids. Okay. So mostly students are generally highly intellectual. So that's why all the student thoughts are highly polished. So here I am giving you a small trick. The student thoughts are highly polished. Students thoughts are highly polished, because all the students are generally most intellectual. So that's why the student thoughts are highly polished. Okay, so this is a trick to remember all the oxo acids. Okay, so here we are considering student thoughts are highly polished. So you have to remember this one. So in case of sulfurous acid series, so these four oxo acids will be there. S means sulfurous acid, thiosulfurous acid, hyposulfurous acid, pyrosulfurous acid. So like this. So in case of sulfurous acid series, these four molecules will be there, four oxo acids will be there. In case of sulfuric acid series, sulfuric acid means it will exhibit higher oxidation states. So if it will exhibit higher oxidation state, generally if the student has any high ego, that is higher oxidation state means you have to remember like this. If he has high ego, then the student thoughts are just simply polished only, but not highly. Okay, if the students are possessing some ego, that means high ego, then the student thoughts are simply polished but not highly polished. So in case of sulfuric acid series, you have to remember student thoughts are polished only. Simply you can remember these three, but not highly polished. So here in case of sulfurous acid, four molecules will be there. In case of sulfuric acid series, there are three oxo acids will be there. Okay, so you have to know, now you have to follow this. So the first one is sulfurous acid series. So here is sulfurous acid series. So the sulfurous acid series consists of sulfurous acid, thiosulfurous acid, hyposulfurous acid and pyrosulfurous acid. So the first one, sulfurous acid, the formula for this molecule is H2SO3, and second one H2S2O2. Here it is sulfurous acid, and hypo means H2S2O4, and pyro means H2S2O5. We have to increase the content of oxygen here. So here one sulfur, 3 oxygens are there. Here 2 sulfurs, 2 oxygens are there. So here the content of oxygen is increased. So here also 2 to 4 and 4 to 5. So likewise we have to increase the content of oxygen, just like in case of oxoacids of phosphorus only. Okay, clear? And now we have to go for structures of these molecules. So here the structure of this one is like this. Sulfur valence is 6 only, so that's why it can form 6 bonds, and sometimes some lone pairs will be there. So here it forms 4 bonds and 1 lone pair will be there. And next, thiosulfurous acid. Thio means it should consist of some SS linkage. So here there is S double bond S linkage will be there. So OH and again OH. So here 1 lone pair is there. And hyposulfurous acid. So hypo means S S double bond O and double bond O. Here OH and OH. Lone pairs are there. And pyrosulfurous acid means OH. Pyro means it should consist of SOS linkage. It should consist of SOS linkage. Pyro compounds always consist of SOS linkage. So here it can also be written as like this: OH, S double bond O, S double bond O, and OH. So it can also be written like this. So here the oxidation states will be changed. So in the previous video I have discussed how to calculate the oxidation states of these molecules. So if there are 2 or more elements in the compound, we get some fractional oxidation state. So that is not the actual oxidation state, that is the average oxidation state. So we have to calculate the individual oxidation state of each element. So I have gave you a small trick to calculate the individual oxidation state. So you have to go through with that link also. That link also provided with description. Okay. And next, so we have to consider the basicity of the acids. You can calculate the basicity of the acid and comment me on comment box. And next, sulfuric acid series. Sulfuric acid series consists of mainly 3 acids, that is sulfuric acid, thiosulfuric acid, and pyrosulfuric acids. So in the previous trick we have discussed only 3, that is student thoughts are polished. So sulfuric acid means H2SO4. So here it is H2SO4. So the structure for the molecule is S double bond O, OH and OH. It forms complete octet. There is no any lone pair of electrons. So thiosulfuric acid means H2S2O3. Here thiosulfurous acid means H2S2O2. Thiosulfuric acid means H2S2O3. Sulfurous means H2SO3. Sulfuric means H2SO4. Okay, clear? You have to remember like this. You have to increase the content of oxygen since the oxidation state goes on increases. So here all these possess lower oxidation state, these possess higher oxidation state. Okay. So now the structure for this molecule, S double bond O, double bond S. Here since it is thio, we should consist of S double bond S, like this. And next, pyro. Pyro means it consists of pyro bond, that is POP bond or SOS bond. In case of phosphorus, it consists of POP bond. In case of sulfur, it consists of SOS bond. So here it is S double bond O, S, like this. It is SOS linkage. So here this SOS linkage should be there. In case of pyro molecules, there should be SOS linkage. In case of pyrophosphorus acids, there should be POP bond. Okay, you have to remember this one. Next one, thionic acid series. Thionic acid series. So thionic acid series means again they consist of 2 types. One is dithionic acid, other one is polythionic acid. So dithionic acid formula H2S2O6, and for polythionic acid H2SN+2O6. So dithionic acid means it consists of 2 sulfurs. Poly means it consists of number of, that is plus n, 2 plus n, that is n+2. Okay. So the structure for the molecule is like this: S double bond O, OH. And next, SN, there should be n molecules of sulfur, those are present in between 2 sulfurs. like this. Okay, this is polythionic acid. And next one, peroxy acid series. So that is peroxy, it consists of some peroxy bonds, that is ovo linkage. So in case of peroxy, there is peroxy monosulfuric acid and peroxy disulfuric acid. So the peroxy monosulfuric acid means H2SO5, disulfuric acid means H2S2O8. So the formula will be like this, it should consist of at least one peroxy bond. So here it is the peroxy bond, so this ovo bond is the peroxy bond, so this is peroxy bond. And in case of H2S2O8, we should write like this, S double bond O, and here the peroxy bond is present in between two sulfurs. So this is the peroxy bond here. So this is peroxy bond. Okay. So in this way you can easily remember all the oxo acids. So this peroxy monosulfuric acid is also called as Carros acid. Carros acid. So this is called Marshall acid. Marshall acid. So here by using this simple trick you can easily remember all the oxo acids of sulfur. So sulfurous acid, sulfuric acid, again thionic acid series, and next one peroxy acid series. So here we are increasing the oxygen content, H2SO3 increases to H2SO4. Thio means H2S2O2, here H2S2O3. Hyposulfurous acid means H2S2O4, here there is no hypo because yes, student thoughts are polished only here. Here student thoughts are highly polished, here only student thoughts are polished. So here sulfurous acid, here pyrosulfuric acid. Pyro means H2S2O5. Here pyrosulfurous acid means H2S2O7 here. This is H2S2O7. H2S2 total oxygens are 7. So H2S2O7. Okay. We didn't write here the formula, so you can check it. You can take a screenshot, then you can easily go through with the structures. And you have to calculate the oxidation states also. So in the previous video I gave you that link, I will give you the link in the description. So the trick is to calculate the oxidation state. What is the trick? So we have to calculate the number of bonds that it can form with other elements. Suppose if it is sulfur, the number of bonds it can form with other elements is here 1, 2, 3, 4. So here the oxidation state will be plus 4. So here for this sulfur, the number of bonds it formed with other elements is 1, 2, 3, 4. So here also plus 4. So like this we can calculate the oxidation state. So here the number of bonds it can form with the other elements is 1, 2, 3 only. It should not consider because it is the similar element. Okay. So here it exhibits plus 3 and here also it exhibits plus 3. So you can go through with that previous video. I will give you the link in the description. Okay. So I am giving you a small question for you. So please comment me in comment box the answer. So all these mostly exhibits one basicity, that is basicity of the acid. So a basicity of the acid means the number of H plus ions it can donate. So what is the basicity of these molecules? So calculate the basicity and what is the basicity of the molecules. Please comment me in comment box. Thank you. Like the session, share the session and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.